So, hello everyone. Welcome back to the another episode of the Project Idea series in CodersArts. So, in this video, we are going to develop an Android application, which is known as the vehicle financing app. In this, we are going to helping the user for the secure vehicle loan. So, nowadays, you can see we are going to, like every people is going to find out the loan for the proper loan for the vehicle and for the two-wheeler and a four-wheeler and all. So this idea is going to representing this how we can make easy this process. So we are going to develop this application, and coming to the next slide. So introduction part. So we are going to give the name of this project is the vehicle financing app. Okay, so what is the objective of this app? We are going to create an Android application for to that assist the user with the bad credit in obtaining the vehicle financing. And we are going to do our target audience is basically individual with the bad credits and intermediaries and the lenders. So we are there are three types of target audience we have. And moving to the next slide, what is the market overview nowadays, and what is the problem and the current challenges that the people is going to face in this scenario. So what is the current challenges here? Individual with the bad credit struggle to secure vehicle financing. Okay, and lack of transparency in the financing option, and time consuming process of finding and comparing the lenders. So we have a lot of lenders like L&T, Infosys, and other company Infosys, Wipro, and these companies are also providing loans, and TCS is also providing loans. Tata Consultancy is also provided loans, and so these are the stuffs that these are the some companies that are going to provide the loans, and banking sector as well. So all the things that like L&T and banking sector are both are providing loans. So there is a lot of companies which are providing loans. So this is a time consuming process of finding and comparing the lenders. So what is the solution we are going to provide in this application? We are going to provide the vehicle financing simplifies the process by matching users with the suitable financing option based on their credit score and a down payment. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. What is the key feature that we are going to produce in our application? Is basically credit score entry, where the user can input their credit score and a desired down payment. So the user can go to get a form in which they have input the credit score and desired down payment, and after that they were going to get the financing option. We are going to display the available financing option based on the enter detail. And third one is the application form, and after the filling the simple form, the user can enter the basic information like name, address, incomes and all, and we are going to provide a customized offers for them. So receive a personalized loan offer from the multiple lenders. So what is the multiple lenders here, like L&T Group and ICICI Bank and etc., all the banking sector in our country, and we are going to use them as a multiple lenders. And credit improvement tips, and we are going to provide the credit improvement tips as well, guidance and improving the credit score to secure the better terms in the future. Secure the data handling, ensuring the user data and privacy and security throughout the process. So these are the basic 6 key features that we are going to provide in our application. So let's move to the next slide. What is the implementation plan that we are going to do? First of all, we are going to create a UI design, and we are going to develop the intuitive and the user friendly interface designs for the data entry, and we are going to viewing the finance option as well. So after the UI design, we are going to develop our backend, the setup a robust database for the user information and the lender offers, integrate the APIs for the credit score and the verification and the lender database. And third one is we are going to develop the front end. We are going to implement the user interface by using the framework like Kotlin and Java, whatever the language should we prefer. And finally, we are going to provide the testing. And the third thing, like we are going to do the deployment on the Play Store. So you can see we can do the deployment on the Play Store. We can launch the app on the Google Play Store with the ongoing support and updates. So after that, what is the benefits in this project and the future scope? So the benefits for the user: it is easy to provide the vehicle financing option, transparency in loan offer, and tips for credit improvement. These are the basic benefit for the user that we are going to provide. What is the benefit for the lenders? Access the wider audience, streamline the loan application process. And for the developers, like for us, we are going to do a practical experience in developing the fintech application with the real world impact. And what is the future enhancement we are going to integrate? We are going to integrate an AI for the better matching user with the lender, and the addition of the loan calculator budget planning tool, and partnership with the auto dealer for the exclusive offer, and expansion to include other types of finance like mortgage, personal loans, and all. So we are going to enhance this thing in the future scopes. So if you have any idea like this, and if you wanted to implement this idea, so you can just drop a mail for at the contact@codersarts.com. So thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye.